the summertime. Something about the weather in July, but I'm about as fickle as the sands of time. So I don't wanna call you mine.
This day felt like good days were coming. And I've been saying that for a while now, but this day specifically, I've never felt so happy and so free in such a long time. And it was an incredibly beautiful day, and I spent the day with incredibly beautiful people, and I just had an amazing time. And I felt like I was able to really enjoy myself this day. And I can't wait to make more memories, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my summers with them and feeling this way, because this way is just amazing. It's so hard to explain it, but when the sun kisses on your skin and that warm, beautiful, like crisp air rushes against you and you hear those waves next to you, it just, something about it is just so calming and beautiful. I can't wait to spend more days like this. That's why I like
wake up to you in the morning.
Damn, I look pretty in the camera.
You look gorgeous, Joe.
Seem like your body don't know how to hold you. So maybe I can instead. So many lies, need a fight. Feel it with you every time it isn't feeling right. I wish I could take your hand. Dealing with some things I've never seen in life. You heard them, but it don't show on the outside. And repeat it every day.
Hi vlog. This is literally the aftermath of a beach day. I got home late, but my whole room's a mess. We got Culver's because we didn't eat anything that whole day. Nothing. So when I got home, we got Culver's. My room's a complete mess. I got stuff everywhere, specifically like in this area. So I have to